Larger than life. Black pepper and lemon juice. Several new studies have shown that piperine can interfere with the genes that control the generation of fat cells, as well as reducing fat levels in the bloodstream and enhancing the absorption of nutrients from our foods. Lemon juice can help aid in digestion and give your GI tract a helping hand when it comes to breaking down foods. Lemon and black pepper drink. You will need several sprinkles of freshly ground black pepper, juice of half a lemon, fresh water. Directions: mix lemon juice with water and sprinkle in black pepper, about 3-4 turns of the pepper grinder. Drink once daily after a meal. Bottled gourd juice. Bottled gourds are old world hard-shelled fruits that anecdotal evidence suggests can help you lose weight. People who swear by it find that, due to its high fiber content, it creates a sensation of fullness and curbs appetite. It also has high water content, always a good thing, and has a number of great nutrients. Bottled gourd juice. You will need 1 cup of bottled gourd juice, chilled a little lime juice. Directions: when you feel the urge to snack, drink a glass of cold bottled gourd juice with a dash of lime juice added. Rose petal water. Rose petals act as a very gentle diuretic. Diuretics encourage your kidneys to put more sodium, salt, into your urine. This excess salt in turn draws water from your blood, decreasing the amount of water in your circulatory system. This is not permanent weight loss, just water weight, but the action encourages you to drink more and keep your system flushed, clean and hydrated. Water. Handful of fresh or dried rose petals. Distilled water, roughly 1-2 cups. A pot with a tightly fitting lid. Note: be sure, especially if using fresh rose petals, that they have not been treated with any sort of chemical, insecticides, pesticides, herbicides, fertilizers, etc. Directions: place the pot on the stove, put in the rose petals, and add just enough distilled water to completely cover them. If some float to the top, it's not a big deal. Cover the pot with the tightly fitting lid and simmer until the petals lose most of their color, about 15-20 minutes. Strain the liquid into a glass jar and keep in the refrigerator for up to 6 days. Drink about half or 1 cup every morning on an empty stomach. Green tea and ginger. Green tea has long been debated as a weight loss aid, and more research is needed to confirm or deny how well it works. While some studies have turned up nothing, others have identified 3 main components in green tea that could help manage weight: caffeine, catechins, and theanine. Green tea for weight loss. You will need 1/2 inch of fresh ginger root, peeled and finely chopped, or 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of green tea, 8 ounces of fresh water, raw, organic honey, optional. Directions: place green tea and ginger in a strainer or sieve and cover with 8 ounces of boiling water. Steeping green tea for too long can leave it with a bitter taste, so don't exceed 3-4 minutes. You can stir in a little raw honey if you really need to sweeten it, but avoid milk or sugar at all costs. Drink 1-2 cups daily on an empty stomach. Just add water. Staying hydrated is an important aspect of weight loss that people often brush off. You don't want to gain water weight and feel bloated, right? Either that or you hear that you should drink ice-cold water to burn more calories. Not exactly. The idea that ice-cold water burns more calories because your body tries to warm it up first may technically be true, but the effect is minuscule, like 8 calories minuscule. Rather, you need to be hydrated for your body to run smoothly, and that includes burning fat. It flushes bad stuff through your system, and also helps curb appetite. And don't fret about water weight. If you are staying hydrated, your body is less likely to retain water since it simply doesn't have the need to. Similar to how eating more can make weight loss easier, within reason. I should also say, do not buy into specialty waters. Get your vitamins through your diet or supplements. Those waters are not better for you. In fact, some are so loaded with flavoring and whatnot they rival soda. Just add water. You will need 8 ounces of fresh water. Directions: drink at least 8 cups of fresh water every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.